Go to Master menu. Select Opening Stock Equity FNOMF. Click on Search. Select the entry. Click OK. Please see opening balance purchase date. Go to Reports menu LTCG, Grandfathering Provision. Select Grandfathered Report. Check the data. Click OK. Please refer opening purchase sell column along with the 31st of January 2018 grandfathered rate. Go to Reports menu. Select LTCG Sample Grandfathering Cost Formula. Grandfathering Cost Formula. Go to Reports menu. The 31st of January 2018 bhav copy kept for. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.